Hello, this is Kirill from forexboat.com and welcome back to the course on testing and optimization in MetaTrader 4. And today we will run a more precise optimization of this particular set of parameters, or of this cluster of sets that start with the hour 9. So in order to do that, you need to right click, set in parameters. We can run the test just to see the result. And what we want to do now is we want to go into extra properties, uncheck start hour, meaning that we will keep it constant, we will not change it, and it'll be 9 for this optimization that will follow. And now we want to check if which of the sets around these particular parameters, in very close proximity to them, is the best one. So what we're going to do is we're going to optimize around these parameters. And this is a technique that is very often used in optimization. So we're going to start at 6 with step 1 and go up to 10. That means that we'll check the values for min pip limit of 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And 8 is in the middle, and that's exactly what we want. And also I'd like to stress once again, for those of you who are using a 5-digit broker, that in this particular expert advisor, the easiest way to make it work for a 5-digit broker is to multiply min pip limit, take profit, and stop loss everywhere in your settings by 10. So it would be 80, it would be 1000, it would be 300, and same thing would apply in the start, step, and stop values. So take profit, we know it's 100 in this particular set, and we want to optimize around that. So we want to go start at 90. Step with 2 and go to 110, and that puts 100 in the middle, and that will give us 20 steps from 90 to 100. It's 5 steps, and from 100 to 110 it's another 5 steps. Stop loss, here it's 30, so we want to optimize from 20, step of 2 up to 40. And you can do smaller steps. You can do a step of 1, and let's do that, for example, with MA period. So 70, let's put 70 in the middle, so we'll start at 60, we'll step with 1, and we'll go up to 80. So that will give us a more precise optimization. We'll find out exactly which parameters are the best with start hour 9 in the vicinity of these parameters that we have. So we're going to click OK, optimization, and we'll just go click hit start. The optimization is much faster now because there's a lower number of parameters, and we'll go to the graph. Very interesting graph. Sometimes they can be quite amusing. And there we go. There we have a result. So let's see what the best set of parameters is. As you can see, start hour has been moved to the back because it's no longer an optimized parameter. And then we have the optimized parameters here. So min pip limit is 8, take profit is 106, stop loss 28, MA filter true, and MA period 71. So what we're going to do now is we'll right click, set in parameters, start, and we'll just check out the graph. The graph hasn't changed much, but if you look at the profit, then you can see that there's maybe one trade difference, because there's 3,000 here, the next one's 2,966. So it does change a little bit, and if you want to get the best result for your expert advisor, then sometimes it's worth optimizing around the parameters you've set. It won't really help you if this that original set that we used was a curve fitted set, so it wasn't a true set that will survive in market conditions. But if in case it was, then you can maybe marginally improve your result. And if you're trading large volumes, that can be something that you'd want to do. So we'll go ahead and save that, and we'll save that as simple system set 6, 9, and we'll call 9B, for example. So that's all. We have 6 sets. I think that's enough. I'll just have a look. So there we have 6 sets. I think that's enough for now. What we want to do next is run our forward tests and pick out the best ones out of these sets. So we'll do that in the next tutorial, and I hope to see you then. Until next time, happy trading.